how you make slime, guys, without all the other stuff you need. Pickle time! Hey guys, welcome back to another review. Today, are you gonna go up or down? Today, I am making slime without borax, liquid starch, and contact lens solution. I have been trying out new slime recipes, and then I came across some laundry stain remover. Now, I'm not sure if this works with every brand, but you can definitely give it a try yourself. Like, if you have it, why not give it a try, you know? I don't know which one works or which one doesn't, though. I just found this in my house and it works for me. So, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to be part of the pickle crew or pickle jar or the official pickle. Oh, it's been a while since I've said those. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Now, let's move on with the video now. So, you will be needing a bowl or something to mix in, something to mix with, some PVA glue. I'm using white glue, and some laundry stain remover. And mine has two types. I don't know if every brand has two types, but mine does. Oh, and you'll be needing some coloring if you want your slime to be more festive or something. Now, let's move on with the real tutorial. Also, the ingredients will be down below in the description box. Start out by pouring in your glue. Scrape off that little bit. Okay, I feel like that's gonna drop. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. So I'm actually gonna add in the blue because maybe it'll look nice. We'll first see what the purple alone looks like. I'm gonna add a little bit of blue, or in this case, turquoise, which is not in focus, but you know, you can kind of see that word. I wanna see if it'll look good. Oh no, I'm gonna touch the glue. It's not coming out. Okay, there we go. Now taking our stain remover, we're gonna open up the lid. Okay, it's not a simple pull. Wait, how do I have some instructions? Oh, squeeze and turn. Yeah. Oh, okay, there we go. Got it finally. And we're gonna add, for me, I'm gonna add both of the types in. So if you have like a double type, you add both of them. Otherwise, you just add it in. And you mix very well. I'm a slime monster already. So once your slime starts like peeling itself off but still really sticky, you want to mix a little slower, like pretty slow. Otherwise you're going to form a bunch of like foamy soap and then your slime isn't going to be really good. Okay, so now I'm going to start kneading it. First we take it out of the bowl, and yes, it looks really sticky and all that, but we'll, oh, okay, I hit the tripod. I'm gonna just knead it. Well, let me just take some gloves real quick. Blackjack! Leak it, okay. Hey, that's not what I wanted. But now we can start kneading it. And when you think it's like super sticky still, you should probably knead it really well with your hands or with your hands in your gloves before adding more, because this slime could get pretty thick by kneading it. I think I need to remove my gloves. It is not working. This hand is just like, the slime swallowed it. Okay. Okay, I removed my gloves. It's all nice now. It's actually basically finished. This is how you make slime, guys, without all the other stuff you need. And it's super soft if you like make it super soft. Or it can be super rough if you want. But it's super pokeable. Sorry, that's kind of bad when I'm poking, but yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be part of the pickle jar. Oh wait, oh, look at that. Another one that I made from earlier, which is super hard now because I didn't put it in a container. Let's mix it in. It's a little, okay, it's back in focus. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up like I just said. And subscribe, and I will see you all later. Bye!